Today, I'm going to show the continuation of validations here. Okay, for our applications, our project modules here, I'm going to show here. I'll show 3 different modules. You work on remaining modules here. That covers almost all the requirements here. Okay, I'll implement order method, shipment type, and WH user type. These 3 I'm just going to provide here. You write the UOM and I'll give some more extra tasks today. Those also you try to finish here. Observe carefully. Okay, I'll write this code here. To make it easily, to implement easy, I just take the help of Visual Studio Code Editor. If I do any mistake also, it will show clearly. That's why I'm taking the help of this Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, first we are going to run the application here. Tomorrow at 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock, I'll take Log4j session. Anyone just make a reminder after the session. I'll give the link tomorrow session. Tomorrow 9 o'clock, I'm just taking Log4j 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Okay, that is actually Log4j session. Then how to implement that Log4j in the project also I'll show. Okay, anyone just make a reminder at the end of the session. I'll give the Log4j link. Not now, at the end of the session. Okay, now I'm just running the application. If you run this application, here I'm going to enter the details in the browser. It's a 9898 port number. 9898 / shipment type / register is there, like we have. Okay, without selecting anything, if I click on create, see it is giving some errors and all. Okay, so it is giving something like grade and all. Okay, it is giving error here. Okay, if we choose something, these two here, and clicking on shipment here. Okay, shipment type grade, it is giving something like null. Okay, it is asking us to select this value even. See here, shipment type 54 created successfully, it is showing here. Okay, we have to avoid some null values here. Okay, of course we have to write some validations here. Without entering anything, if you click on submit, it is showing some error or else inserting some data. I just want to avoid that data here. If you look at /all, okay, it is showing some records here. Shipment type data is there. Okay, I just want to avoid invalid data here. Just I'm typing, click on register here. Okay, I just want to avoid invalid data here. How to do that process, I'm just showing step by step. Concentrate. For that we have to write validation. If you look at view page source, if you look at view page source, it's a page source code generated. You can see the source code generated. If you look at the radio buttons, if you look at the radio button, okay, see here I wrote actually th : field. When you write th : field internal generating ID and name. Okay, not only here, even if you take above ID and name. When you write field will take care of writing both ID and name. Both ID and name. Okay, some people wrote even actually that name and even value also they wrote same actually. That is going to give error actually. th : ID and name field is generating here. Even if you look at ID and name per text area. When you write field, it will take care of 2 things that will generate both ID and name. Okay, so here both ID and name it is generating here. Please disable your webcams, everyone. Please disable your webcams, everyone. Now look at here. If we come to our UI, we have one HTML file. Let us take register page. Okay, in the register page, if you look at here, what we wrote, select th colon field we wrote. We did not write any ID and name. Th colon field, th colon field, th colon field I wrote. You can see everywhere I mentioned the field. I did not write anywhere ID and name. Okay, when you write like this here, what is happen? Observe carefully. Okay, when we write input type, any type, th colon field, if you write, okay, th colon field, if you write, it is equally converted to name and ID is equals to. That's internally converted to name and ID. And ID of two different inputs will be always different. Okay, it's never going to be same. Okay, that is the first point you understand here. In theme leaf UI, we are defining input link using th colon field. Example like this. Input type text, name is equals to, I'm just taking emp ID, anything. Later, it is converted into name and ID attributes. Okay, example generated code. Understand here. Okay, how to confirm? Just come to browser. You are coming to this page, right? Right click, view page source. This is an option here. It's a view page source option. If you look at here, there you can see. See like this, it is showing here. Now you look at here, ID and name. What I'm just doing is this content I'm just copying and I'm mentioning here. A new HTML file I'm just creating. Look at here. Okay, this actually any name you can give. Already I gave span IDs here. Okay, directly you can write code here. But what I'm doing just to make it easy, I'm just writing here. Already I mentioned error section. Div description error, shipment grade error, already errors added. Okay, only query related things I'm just going to do here. A new file I'm just taking and pasting the same and saving here. Let us take, it's a shipment.html. Like this I just saved here. And not only this, we need to add other links also. If you look at other links, these are the remaining links here. I'm just copying all other links and I'm just pasting here. Okay, CSS link is there, fine. Okay, remaining links, jQuery link, popper.js link, and bootstrap link. These are required. Okay, these are the complete 4 links here. If you look at here, bootstrap link and all. Whatever the generated code, source code I'm just taking here. Why like that? Okay, writing will be easy. Writing remaining code because it's a pure HTML code, right? Writing code will be easy. Instead of writing here, I'm just taking into separate source code. I'm just writing. This will be writing easy. I'm just taking here. Now, if I use this editor, writing code will be easy. That's the purpose I'm just taking here. There I'm writing. I'm just writing here script. Whatever we write inside the script, this content I'll finally copy to here. Finally, I'll copy to here. Okay, so that this is easy for writing the UI. That's why I'm just taking this one. Nothing else here. Type is equals to x/ JavaScript. I'm just writing here dollar document dot ready. There I'm writing function. like this. It's not detecting. 1 second. Function. Okay, fine. Now just I'm writing the sample code here. Observe. I think previously typing mistake is. Okay, there I'm writing the code here. Observe carefully, one by one validations. I think you remember the steps here. Okay, let me execute this in the browser. I'll be writing somewhat faster, bit faster. Concentrate. It's a shipment type. Okay, it's a server page. This is actually browser page. Actually, it's a D drive. It's not a server page here. I just want to do validation here. When you click on create shipment, choose some option, select any value, code only uppercase A to Z, 4 to 6 characters, description any number of characters. I just want to write it. I'm writing the same thing. Look at carefully. Okay, let us start the code here. First, if you look at the first section, it is going to be shipment mode. This is shipment mode error. There I'm writing here dollar hash shipment mode error dot hide, where shipment mode error is equals to false. Link with action event. Okay, that is on change. It's a drop down, right? It's a drop down. So here I'm writing shipment mode dot change. There I'm writing function. You can write logic here only, but you can't reuse that on submit. I'm just writing here function validate shipment mode. I'm just taking where val is equals to, just I'm taking here dollar shipment mode dot val. If it is empty, there I'm just writing the code else. And just I'm writing here return shipment mode error. In case of else, there is no error, it is true. In case of false, that is actually if block, it is false. Okay, we have to enable this section here dot show, and this one I'm just writing dot html. Choose shipment mode option, just writing the same. Then I'm writing color comma red. This one must be hidden. Observe carefully. And finally, just I'm writing here validate shipment mode. Now just refresh. If you choose something air, and if you come back here, it is showing error like this. Truck and air. Choosing one option here. On submit also I'll write at last. Okay, like this. I'm just writing second one. It's a shipment code. Shipment code. There we have shipment code error already I wrote. The span sections already I wrote here. You can see span description error, shipment grade error I wrote here already. Okay, from the source code I just copied this one. Shipment code. Okay, shipment code error is there. Let us come here, making bit faster. Dot hide. Declaring a variable where shipment code error is equals to false. Writing validation function. It's what? It's a text input, right? Okay, just I'm writing on key up. It's a key up. There I'm writing function. Okay, there I'm writing here validate. This is shipment code input we have to link with. shipment code. Okay, that function I'm just writing here below. Validate shipment code. So what I'm just doing here, this one structure I'm just copying and pasting here. Okay, this one shipment mode is there, right? Replace with shipment code. This is shipment code error. Okay, this I'm just writing, changing shipment code error. Choose shipment, enter shipment code. Okay, just a copy paste I did here to make it faster. Refresh. Of course, we did not enter shipment code. I just want to allow only uppercase letters. Okay, you define a pattern where expression is equals to starting and ending. There I'm writing A to Z 4 comma 8 characters. Okay, only uppercase letters, minimum 4 and maximum 8 characters I just want to write. Okay, there I'm writing here else if. Else if just I'm writing test the expression with value. Okay, if matched, okay, if not matched, then only problem. I'm just writing the same and error message change. Enter 4 to 8 chars only. Okay, and here I'm just updating this one into uppercase. Just I'm writing update into uppercase here. This one shipment code dot val dot to uppercase. Writing like this here. Okay, now we have to set it back to same value. Okay, it is also working fine. Even enable shipment we have to write. Enable shipment. It's a enable shipment error is there. There I'm writing dollar hash enable shipment error dot hide, where enable shipment error is equals to false. It's a drop down. Just I'm writing here enable shipment error, sorry, enable shipment dot change. There I'm writing function to link. Okay, validate enable shipment. Like this I'm just writing here. Function validate enable shipment. There I'm writing return enable shipment error, where val is equals to dollar. It's a enable shipment dot val. Okay, just I'm copying this above section here, drop down content, writing the same. Enable shipment value, just I'm writing here enable shipment error, choose enable shipment. Enable shipment error. It is done. Okay, let us just come and refresh. Choose enable shipment or choose one option. Like that you can write any error. It is done. Next, radio buttons. Radio button selector is somewhat going to be different here. Okay, radio button ID will be always different. So we have to choose something input type and name. Okay, we have to work with input type and name here. Observe carefully. Input type, box open and box close, box open and name. ID will be different here, so I'm just taking here. If we take inside the double quotes, outside it should be single quotes. If we take inside single quotes, outside should be double quotes. Anything you can take, that's fine. We have to select by using attribute based. This is called attribute based. ID is not going to work here. Okay, so just let it be here. This one, shipment grade error. Error section is normal. Only selector dot hide. There I'm writing where shipment grade error is equals to false. Okay, there I'm linking with event. This is single quotes I'm just writing because already inside double quotes is there. Dot change. There I'm writing function. Just I'm writing here validate shipment grade. Like this I'm just writing here. I'm just writing these comments for understanding only, nothing else. Function validate shipment grade. There I'm writing first where val is equals to selector, we have to write colon checked dot length, that we have to use. How many are checked I want to use here. Okay, just I'm taking this one. It's a copy and just I'm writing paste. This one replace with shipment grade error. Okay, if value is equals to 0, if length is equals to 0, instead of val we can call length. It's a length is equals to 0. Choose one option. Choose one shipment grade. Like this it is going to show here. Okay, so here it's not going to be unchecked here. That comes only on submit button, error is going to come. Okay, that we can check only on submit here. On submit validation will come. Okay, so I'll show on submit also. Wait for a second. Input type is equals to radio, that we have taken checked. Checked length is equals to 0. Show the error section, display the error message and return as a false. It's a shipment grade error. Okay, done. And last one more is the description. Description is a text area. It's a description error. Just I'm writing here dollar hash description error dot hide. Just writing like this. Okay, so here description error I mentioned here. There I'm writing where description error is equals to false. It's a text area, right? on key, description dot key up. There I'm writing function. There I'm writing validate underscore description. I'm just writing function validate description where val is equals to dollar description dot val return true description error. Like this I'm just writing here. Okay, now here I'm writing here. First I'm writing here if condition, if value dot length is less than 10 and value dot length greater than 150 characters, I'll write error. Okay, size must be in this range. Like this I'm just going to write a condition here. Else condition I'm just writing here. This is a description error I'm just writing. Is equals to true and hide this section. Okay, must be 10 to 150 chars only, including any symbol here. Okay, everything means don't mention pattern. Everything accepted means don't mention pattern here. Minimum 10 characters, 9 characters also error, more than 150 characters also error. Like this I'm just writing here. Okay, finally on submit also we have to write it here. Here description error, error description key up validate description, read the value, sorry, R A B C D crossed, I think number of characters. Yeah, working fine. I'm just giving the range like this. Okay, finally on submit I'm just writing here. Look at it carefully. At form tag level I'm writing ID is equals to shipment type form. Just I'm writing like this ID. There I'm writing finally on submit. Dot submit. I'll write function validate all, validate underscore shipment mode, validate underscore shipment grade, validate underscore enable shipment, validate underscore uh, shipment code, validate underscore description. Any order 5 should be there. All input should be there. 3, 4, 5. Now finally I'm just writing if all are true, then only true. Shipment code error and shipment grade error and shipment mode error and enable shipment error and description. If all are true, then return true, else return false. Like this I'm just writing here. Okay, now let us come here and just do refresh. See, all are coming here. Okay, that's done. So I think you understood this one. What I'm doing here is inside this, whatever the script content is there, this content only I'm just copying and coming to our application and pasting here. And also at form tag level, here at form tag level, just I'm writing ID is equals to whatever the ID that I added here, shipment type form. Just I'm writing here. If I write this, it is going to, so many times we have to stop the server and start the server. That's why I just taken into separate file, Visual Studio Editor, or else you can take Edit Plus also fine. Any tool is fine. Finally, it should be there. Let us run this application and see. I'm just running the application here. Coming to browser, localhost. It's saying already they started. Run application again. System.exit not required. I don't want to stop the server. Okay, this actually 9898. Just did see. Yeah, everything working fine. Let us come to slash register, not all. Click on create shipment. What happened? Links, correct. jQuery links are there. It's like a jar files. How we add jar files in our project like this. We need to add the links here. Once it is done, and just come and do refresh. Click on the create shipment. Yes, perfect. So here I'm just writing air, jet air, yes, create. This is gone. Hello. What happened? Okay, 4 to 8 characters only. I'll make 4 to, not 8. 25 characters. I'll take somewhat size more. And minimum 5 characters I'll make. 10 characters I can't enter every time. Air, jet air, yes, a, hello. Perfect. Inserted. 103 saved. Slash all. Okay. Now in a continuation, I'm just going to show, just stopping the application. Look at here. Next module is there. Shipment type is done. Next module, order method. This one also I'm just going to write. Observe carefully this time how I'm writing. Okay. If you don't add these links here, Okay, what are the jQuery files you are calling? Show method, HTML, CSS, colors, everything is inside this links only. Okay, it's like your jars. How we have jars here, these are called libraries. In CSS file, JS file, all these are available here. What exactly I'm just writing here? Predefined files. These are predefined functions. HTML, CSS, length property, val. Okay, whatever you're writing, all are available inside these links only. So these links mandatory, you have to write it. Okay, this is a complete code I'm just giving to you. This is a complete code I'm just going to give it to you. Observe, this is shipment type register.html. It's a complete code. Okay, you write it for edit operation. Edit, you do it. Okay, edit, you do it here. Okay, let us continue here. This one I wrote for shipment type here, right? I'm just running the application. Look at how I'm doing the code from beginning. Look at, I'll show only two more, order method and WS user. Observe, I'm just writing for order method. First, what I'm doing, I'm starting the application, going to browser, just searching with order method / register. Oh my god, UI design also not there. Okay, fine. I'll add UI design for this event. Okay, just what I'm doing here, I'm just copying the content from here. Okay, better first we'll finish UI design. Okay, it takes some time, just wait. Order method register.html. I'm just adding the UI designing. Whatever the links here we have, first copy the same links, come here and paste it. Then first inside the body, write div class equals to container. Look at, sir, I won't repeat this code multiple times. It's a live coding. Again and again, I won't give. Only just few times only I'll give. Common code, next time I'll give it to you only. If I feel it's a common code, already explained such a code, that you have to do it. Okay, observe carefully here. Okay, I'm just repeating same module for 3 times. One shipment type done, right? Next I'm giving order method and WH user type. Similar module is there, UOM. Small module only I'm just giving to you. Okay, let me continue here. Observe, just first I'm writing div container, then div, we have to design card, class equals to card I'm taking. Okay, it takes 3 divs, class equals to card header, and div class equals to card body. Okay, next div class equals to card footer. Like this we have. Nothing new, they explained, just I'm applying to our module. It's like a repetition. Card header, I'm just writing H3 heading. Okay, card body, I'm just writing the form content without pre-tags. Copying this one and just mentioning here card body, and card footer, I'm just writing message, error message. I'll just apply the colors also if you want even. Very good. If UOM completed, validations also finished, and designing also. If you done, really good. Fine, super. Okay, today I'm just giving remaining modules also, those implement. I'll give 4 more modules once you done this. Okay, let me continue here. How many of you done UOM module? Just type yes in the chat box. Card operations and validations. Very good then. Super. Nice. Okay, good, good. Almost everyone. Super then. Okay, but let me continue this one. It's a repetition I'm just giving. Okay, yeah, validations also finish. Okay, now here I'm writing the form. Look at here. It's a type of repetition for you if you just learn properly. I'm just writing div class equals to row. Then I'm writing div first label. Call is equals, that is class equals to call hyphen 2. Then I'm writing div class equals to call hyphen 4. Their input, and div class equals to call hyphen 6. There I'm writing span. ID is equals to error section. First order mode, then radio buttons, then error. I'm just writing here order mode error. Like this, I'm just writing. This is row 1, right? Like this. Just I'm copying this row 1, pasting as a row 2. Now here I'm writing label, order code. Then I'm writing input. This is order code error. Just taking this row and pasting as a row 3. Order type and select option. Select drop down. It's a order type error. Okay. Now this one order type error also done. Next one, I'm just copying this row. Order type, order accept. Row number 4, order accept. These inputs I'm just taking, mentioning here. And this order accept error. This is also done here. Okay. Next I'm writing row number 5. This one, description. Text area. It's a description error. Let us cross verify everything. Order mode error. Order code error. Order type error. Okay. Order accept error. Description error. It's a button. I'm writing class equals to btn space btn hyphen success. Like this, I'm just writing here. Okay. CSS classes, you can just apply previous one, what exactly you have. Card, I'm just taking like this. It's a card header. Okay. And card footer also, you can just take it from here. Colors, your wish, anything is fine. I'm just adding few same. Here footer section I forgot, I think. Yeah, it's a conditional based, right? Shipment type. This one is a card footer. Conditional based. I'm just displaying the same. It's a card footer section. Same here also. Card body end. Card footer end. Card end. Container end. Writing comments is a good programming style, always remember, so that you'll understand what is what, where is exactly completed here, and which part it is. You'll understand clearly like this. Okay. Now let us run this application and see how the exactly colors looks here. Okay. If you look at here, I'm just running the application. It's already started, I think. Like this. And form actions we have to apply. This is radio button. Text class equals to form hyphen control. Look at this one, form hyphen control. And here class form hyphen control. Description form hyphen control. Refresh. It's a better design. Okay. Now when you click on order method, it is just creating the record. I have to tell invalid data should be avoided. Okay. Now what I'm doing here, record that is actually slash register. I'm just taking. Okay. Observe carefully what I'm doing. I can write code here only. But what will happen is every time we have to start the application, stop, check alignment, spacing will become complex. I'm just feeling this one is good UI, colorful it is looking here. I'm just taking this one. At least you can take edit plus software here. Anything is fine. Okay. Now what I'm doing here, first I'm getting this one. I'm just coming to this page. Observe carefully here. I'm just coming to this page. In this page, right click, view page source. I'm just choosing here. In this right click view page source, right click view page source, this content I'm just copying. Okay, and writing a new file and pasting here. This is order.html, order method .html. I'm just saving like this. What we have to do here is write only script content, and that script content copy and paste here. Understood what I said, what I'm doing here? Everyone just give reply. Understood what I said? Here for me typing will become somewhat complicated. UI designing, this is better tool. Okay, I have just gone through source code. That source code I just copied here. Okay, and I pasted here because this UI designing will become colorful, looks good for easy implementation. Okay, now here I'm just writing the same here. Now look at jQuery programming validation. Yeah, you can open VS code also. That is also good. Yes, this code also you can open in VS. That is also fine. Anything is okay. Okay, that's also fine. But execution in the browser won't come. If you want to do validation in the browser, it won't come. If you open your workspace in the VS code and try to run in the browser, what it will show, you see it. It will show error. Okay, that's why I'm just taking this one. Okay, so here what I did here is, instead of writing the code inside this HTML, I'm just taking into another editor. Visual Studio Code editor works fine. Ankit Gupta. Okay, here only you can write the code. Okay, you do one thing, Ankit, you write code here only. Okay, if you feel writing code here complicate, use Visual Studio Code editor. That's what I said. Why I'm using Visual Studio Code editor, if someone asks here. Okay, for me typing is easy here. That's what I said. For me, typing easy. You write directly script code here only. Okay, if you feel complicated, my for me this using this UI is very easy. Okay, Visual Studio Code Editor works lightweight. STS works somewhat slow here. I'm just using this one. Understood, Ankit? Now why I'm typing here is, yeah, just I'm writing here script. There I'm writing dollar document dot ready. Look at, I'm writing validation functions somewhat faster. Same, I'm just repeating here. Look at. Okay, let me continue here. Now here I just want to do one by one validation. This is order method.html, right? I'm just opening through browser. Remaining files I'm just closing here. Okay, this one I just want to do validation. I just want to implement validation concept here. So browser, it is actually easy to validate if you just do this one. Okay, if you write here, it become complicated, nothing else. Okay, Ankit, you just do how you like code, not a problem. Use STS only, fine. If you know only STS, use STS. I'm just using this for easy typing, nothing else. I'm just using this for easy typing. Okay, use any tool. If you feel both complicate, use edit plus also. It's just a tool, I said, nothing, sir, not code. Okay, use any tool. Okay, type it clearly. I feel typing, if I do any mistake here, okay, I can identify easily here. That's what I'm saying. Okay, Ankit, you use any tool, not a problem. Okay, so here let me continue. Observe carefully. I just want to write validation one by one. First one is a radio button. Okay, come up. Yeah, Visual Studio is more easy. That's why I'm using this one. So order mode is a radio button, right? I'm just taking this one, radio button, how it works. And this time checkbox also we have. Look at here. Box attribute based selection. Value and ID you have to remove. Only name. Just taking the same. This is actually required here. It's a selector. Now let it be here. First of all, if you look at error section, order mode error is there. I'm just hiding that one. Dot hide. Next one, where order mode error is equals to false. There I'm writing link with action event, that is actually change. Order mode dot change. There I'm writing function. Okay, just I'm writing here validate underscore order mode. Just I'm writing here. I'm just writing function validate order mode. First selector where val is equals to dollar. It's a single quotes. This value we have to copy. It's a selector attribute based. Radio buttons, it has to be like this only. Dot length. Checked. This is actually going to be length. Now here I'm writing this length. If length is equals to 0, I'm just going to mention the same. Error, I'll write it. Else and return. Okay, validate order mode error. Okay, order mode error is equals to true. Order mode error is equals to false. Okay, whatever the section that we have hidden will be similar in case of error. No error, we have to display, show, and we have to mention error message. Choose order mode, and I'll write color CSS. Just I'm writing here color comma red. Like this I'm just writing here. Okay, even on submit form also, if you want here, at form method action is equals to id is equals to, I'm just writing here order method form. It's a order method form. Just I'm writing the same on submit dot submit. There I'm writing function. Look at here. Just call validate order mode. Just I'm writing if order method order mode error return true. Only one input is there, right? Else, sorry, return false. Sorry, this is return true only. Correct. Else return false. Like this I wrote, and just do refresh. See here, it is saying error. If you click on submit button, choose some option, it should disappear. Okay, selector is like this. This is a selector mistake. We did refresh. It has gone away. Okay, radio buttons and checkboxes selector should be attribute based, because IDs will be duplicate IDs are not allowed here. IDs will be different, so every radio button will become one ID. We have to validate as a group here. Okay, that is the first validation. Okay, so here selectors concept. Okay, we can't write ID here, because why we should not write ID is, if you look at two IDs will be different. If you write first ID, second radio button will not work. Second ID, first radio button will not work. Ankit, did you miss jQuery concept? jQuery sessions you missed, which I taken. Very good. That's why you're asking all the doubts here. I have taken jQuery session separately, and I gave notes also. Okay, if you just go through our session, that is, once after the session, just communicate to Paramesh, coordinator is going to help you. Any person is going to explain jQuery concepts. Okay, let us continue. Okay, observe here. Now this is a radio button here, right? Now next one is a text input. It's a order code. It's a order code. Order code error is already there. I'm just writing here section dot hide is equals to false. Now link with action event order code dot key up. There I'm writing function. Okay, key up is a jQuery function. When you relieve the key from the keyboard, it is called actually. There I'm writing validate underscore order code. Okay, now finally I'm just defining function validate underscore order code. There I'm writing where val is equals to reading the text input value by using ID selector order code dot val. Okay, if val is equals to empty and else scenario. Like this I'm just taking here. Just I'm copying existed one. Order mode should be changed to order code. order code error. Okay, and just come here and do refresh. If you type and remove here, choose order mode. Fine. Okay, if you want convert to uppercase also, there I'm writing else if. For pattern I'm just writing here. Okay, so just I'm adding the same message changes here. Choose order code, enter order code. It is going to be enter order code here. Okay, here I'm writing a pattern. Everyone just hold on for a second. Observe here. I'll make one regular expression here where exp, I'll just define the expression. So this is the expression format A to Z. Just I'm writing here 4 comma 25 characters, minimum 4, maximum 25 characters. I just want to allow. Okay, exp dot test value. If matched, okay. If not matched, only. Okay, must be 4 to 25 chars only. Like this we have to write. Okay, so here it has to mention 4 to 25 characters only. It's an expression we have to write. Okay, now let us test this one order code. Just come and refresh. This is not coming. Okay, on submit we did not write. And order code, there I'm writing validate order code. Refresh. Just I'm writing lowercase. It should be converted auto uppercase. So how to convert to uppercase, I just gave already. Just I'm showing here dollar hash. It's order code, or we can write this also. This dot to uppercase. This dot value dot to uppercase. Like this also we can write. This indicates current object order code only. Okay, again we have to set it to same value. Like this we can write it. See, I'm just typing lowercase letters and converting into uppercase letter. Like this it is converting here. Okay, now observe here. This one I mentioned, it's uppercase conversion here. The same validate function I mentioned here. Next input, if you look at here, I'm just writing for order type. It's a drop down. Choose any one option. I'm just writing here. Order type is having order type error. Here I'm writing, look at carefully, dollar order type error dot hide. There I'm writing where order type error is equals to false. It's a drop down change. It will be actually change function. There I'm writing order type dot change. There I'm writing function. We have to define validate order type. Writing function validate order type. Okay, So here validate order type is a drop down, right? We have tried something like where val is equals to dollar order type dot val. Like this, I'm just writing here. Okay, now I'm just copying this section. Just I'm writing if value is equals to empty, else just I'm writing like this. This order code I'm just changing to order type. Look at here, it's a order type. Just taking the help of order type just to replace this content. I'm just taking and return. If the value is empty, choose order type. Okay, just I'm mentioning here like this, else nothing. Come and just do refresh, choose order type. On submit also, if you want here, then write here validate order type. There I'm writing inline order type error. Okay, when you click on this button also, it is showing us choose order type here. Okay, so this one is done, and this is check boxes. Check boxes also similar to radio buttons. Similar to radio buttons here, like this only. Order type is done. Okay, order accept. Okay, if you look at name, underscore is coming here. That's a generation technique that they are used actually as a hidden input is coming. Okay, that's actually theme lift technique. We don't bother about this. Just I'm copying this content here. Just I'm writing here. Look at, it's a box open, box close, and name is equals to, like this. It is coming here, and there is a error section is there. Order accept error. Order accept error here. So just I'm defining the same. Order accept error dot hide. Next I'm writing here where order accept error is equals to false. Now this one change event, I'm just taking the same and writing here. This one I'm just mentioning it's a checkbox. Order accept. Okay, I'm just defining the same function here below. Validate order accept. Okay, so here this order accept, how we have the code in order mode, I'm just copying the same. There I will change it to order accept. It's a order accept. Name I'm just taking here. I'm just taking the same, and it's easy coding. Shortcut I'm just using here. If the check is actually 0, choose any one, order accept. Just I'm writing here order accept error. Same thing I'm just mentioning here, even inline order accept error. Come here and just do refresh. This one, Yeah, we forgot to call the function here. No, it is there. Validate order accept. Yeah, if I choose this, error should disappear. Hmm. This is not radio, right? This is checkbox. Fine. Sometimes typing code only better instead of copy paste. We don't understand where is the mistake. We feel copy paste works fast, but if you don't properly copy and don't properly paste, then writing code only really better. Okay, order accept also done. And description, last example I just copy, that is shipment description is there, right? Description naming conventions I'm following here so that I can copy easily without any doubt. Description error is there, so I'll just copy that function. First of all, validate description, and this is a description error. Description error, description flag, description flag, description event link, description event link, and finally on submit. Validate description, and description error. Fine. Just I'm taking 5 to 150 characters, minimum 5, maximum. Why I'm making 5? I am going to enter the data, right? I just want to take less characters. Your wish, you take your own requirement. It's fine. Okay, let us check completely once. Click on this one. It's gone. Sample, LIFO, it is also gone. One, test. Fine. If you remove one, not submitted. If you remove this, not submitted. If you remove this, not submitted. Not submitted. Submitted. Perfect. Now what I'm just doing here is the script content, whatever I wrote here, complete script copy from here and paste it to order method. And also at form tag level, just I'm writing id is equals to, at form tag level, id is equals to order method form. And here links. Okay, let us run the application and see. Let me run this application. Localhost 9988/register. Okay, now it is running. Oh, sorry, it is order 9898, I think. Order method/register. Now if you click on submit button here, click on submit button, see all validations are coming. Okay, so here let us choose one. Create order method. Perfect. Okay, so one small announcement to everyone. So there is a new Angular batch is going to be started. It's a new Angular batch. Okay, interested people can attend. It's a 15th June. Okay, 15th June, 7:30 a.m. That means it started yesterday, day for yesterday.